Baka hindi mo napapansin pero ginagamit ka na pala ng customer mo para kumita at your own risk. Let me explain. Isipin mo to. Kuha ng items sa'yo yung customer mo pero hindi naman nagbabayad. Kumikita na siya sa items na ikaw ang bumili habang ikaw wala pang pambayad sa supplier mo, incurring your late payment penalties, slowdown sa supply, and lost sales. This may sound like an absurd story pero madaming ganito in real life, and the reason behind is that business owners fail to monitor their receivables kasi masyadong tutok sa pag-produce ng bentang hindi naman nakokolekta. To stop this or prevent it all in all, kailangan may maayos kang records ng utang ng mga customers mo over a proper accounting system like Xero, One Accounting, or Zoho Books. Something na kailangan regular mong inaaral to make sure na hindi ka nagagamit lang na financier ng customer mo. Patas dapat ang laban. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.